most likely to face backwards. If you stand on the seat, that's absolutely fine, don't worry about all that. And then swing your other one in. You can turn around, it's up to you at that point. It's whatever sort of happens. Yeah. You either end up going in backwards, there's a definite active, but it takes a while to think about it. Still breathing. So you just need to break that.
Golf Echo India, overhead Big Golf wait for a rejoin.
X-ray, Oscar, you calling final 20, runway 20.
Okay, we do our pre-takeoff checks. Power checks. So you might want to half close the, no, leave the canopy open, I'll turn the intercom off, it will get very noisy. Okay. For a moment. 1013, next call next overhead for rejoin next. Old Golf Echo India.
Papa, report downwind at 0 ahead.
Report downwind 2 ahead, Golf down for Sierra. Okay, if you want to close the canopy, Jim, I'll half close this one. Right, that's me. Okay, all set. Look, there we go. Final P0.
Runway 20, land your discretion, wind, line clear.
Okay, undercarriage coming up. And round we go. India, downwind runway 20.
Echo India, report final.
For your final Echo India. Brake! So round you go, because the enemy's where was that for me? Was that for someone else? Who was being attacked? I don't know. Ah, the Messerschmitt, he's just gone past. Let's get on his tail. And up we go. We are pleased with ourselves, and we can do a half Cuban if you like. Yep.
Right then please, and taxi hold short at the intersection.
Okay, right, taxi hold short at the intersection, got it. There we go. Are you feeling okay?
I'm fine, yep. That was good.
And if you look below us, you've heard of RAF Tennyson, have you?
Yeah.
Where the SOE took their guys out, there it is.
Alright.
And there's the famous Gibraltar Bar, where the agents went to just before they boarded the aircraft, Lysander or Halifax or something. But there's a little museum in there, I believe. Okay, if you put your feet on the rudder pedals, and your hand, with your right hand hold the stick. Yep. Now the rudder, your feet control the rudder, which makes the nose wag left and right. So left pedal, right pedal, right, just like a rudder on a boat. Yep. And if we want the aeroplane to roll to the left, we push the stick to the left. If we want it to the right, push to the right. Yep. If we want the nose to come up, we pull back on the stick. Yep. And if we want it to go down, we push forward. Yep. So if we want to turn to the right, for example, we will put the stick over to the right, a little bit of right pedal, but not much, and a little bit of back pressure to keep the nose up. Right. So as we go round on whatever this country park is underneath us, I'll level him out and let you have a go. Okay, you ready? Yep. You have control, Jim. You're flying the aeroplane. So if we were Battle of Britain fighter pilot, we'd be calming down. We'd be looking for some of our squadron to try and form 8 on, because there's a lone aircraft in the hostile sky, you're very vulnerable. Yeah. So you'd be looking for somebody else. If you saw an aircraft, you make sure it wasn't an enemy one before you formated on it. And then you go, well, hang on, do I know where I am? Because you've been going at hell for leather, and you may be lost. So you're then looking for your home base, or at least another airfield that you can put down at to refuel and head back home. You want to bring him round to the right now, Jim? We'll do a 180-degree turn and head back that way. Okay. Take control, Jim?
Yep, you ready?
I have control.
Super, thank you very much.
You can just relax off all the controls, that'll be great.
It's good, yep, I'm on.
Harbour Sierra Tango, final 20.
Got Sierra Tango, runway 20, land your discretion. Is the wind 080 at 5?
Sierra Tango.
Downwind 20 left. Golf Tango Victor, report final. Golf Victor. Sierra Tango, when able, vacate right, taxi back to park.
Okay. What a lovely collection, eh?
Tango Victor,
It's
when
just
able, vacate,
lovely, and
then it'll be toward the end of the flight line.
the weather is just beautiful.
It is, isn't it?
Just summer has arrived, at least for a day, although I think tomorrow is going to pour with rain.
Roger, Tango.
Yeah, you might be right.
Golf India Zulu, the surface wind 100 runway 20, land your discretion.
Well, my discretion, can't let you have it.
and now we get the rest of the 12.
There you go. I meant your starboard foot, but then your left foot basically feels like there's no wind there. How was that? Okay, felt pain. Another shot. Yeah. And we did it for fun, but Battle of Britain guys were deadly serious. They were.